now I'm going to show the pathway of a physio using the app. So first I'm going to sign in, click on physiotherapist. Here I have a list of the patients using the app. I can add some more by clicking on this button here. Here I can see the picture of my patient, her name, age, when she started the treatment, and why she's coming for. Here I can see her last session and her next one. Here I have her statistics, so how many times she trained last week, how many exercises, and for how long. I have here a repartition of the exercises she did along the week, and here the repartition in the body. Now I'm going to show the exercise program. In her case, we're going to focus on the abdominal muscles and click here. I can select any exercise here and click on add to add it to the program. If we need either the patient or the physio, we can receive some help. So here we have more information, and if we need it, we can click on help FAQ and ask the question, and someone will answer this question.
Okay, so we are going to talk about the applications that my physiotherapist recommended me. So just here I have the sign-in, so I already have my account. So I am a patient of a physiotherapist, so I just have to click here. Here we can see all the functionality of this application. So for example, if I go to see my prescription, I can see the exercise that my physio recommended me to do during the weekend. Just here I can see the calendar. So here there is my 2 appointments that I am going to have next week. So I can add some new one just here. So I can choose the hour that is the best for me. And I can also change an appointment. So for example, for the 23, if I want to put it more at 9, I can do it, of course, but so I don't need, and I can also cancel it if I can't go that day. Just here I can also go to see some exercise that he recommended me. So me, I have an impairment in abdominal, so I can just go here and add some exercise. I can also see what I'm going to do during my appointment. So for example, the 23rd of November, I am going to do some exercise of strengthening, of stretching, and I am going to receive a massage of more or less 5 to 10 minutes. We can also see that I send message to my physio, because sometimes I need to know if the pain that I feel is normal, so if I do well the exercise, and because of that, sometimes I need to put notification because I don't see when he answer me, so I can deactivate it, and so that I can also go to my profile and edit it and put a new photo, and if I want to change my email address because I have a problem, I can do it.
I will use this mobile application as an independent user. So let's begin. As I don't have an account, I need to sign up, so I click on the bottom. I enter all of my personal information and then I click on sign up. I need to read the terms and conditions and then check the box and click on accept. I need to accept the permissions like notifications, localization, and the camera. Then I need to choose my role, which is the independent user. Here are the different objectives and functionalities of the mobile apps, so I need to swipe in order to read carefully all of these informations and then click on the arrow. Then I have the menu. I want to create my program, so I go to my programs and create a new program. Here I can choose if I want to add some stretching exercises or if I want to add some strengthening exercises. I can increase or decrease the repetitions, same for the stretching programs. Let's begin with 1 repetition. I click on start my program. And at the end of my session, I need to click on the flag in order to ending my session. I need to click on again in order to confirm it. And here I have the streak, the days that I've performed. Okay, so let's go back to the menu and let's see the historic of my programs. Here I have all of the different programs and exercises that I performed and the different datas with the total duration and the calories burnt. If I want to be more specific, I can click here for each of programs that I performed. Let's go back to the menu and let's see the statistics. Here are my statistics. I have the datas about the programs, exercises, and the duration that I performed, my weekly activity, and the muscles groups that I work on it.